uthi uMartha benoMaria, if you were here, our brother would have not died. Ukube bewukhona Jesu ngabe umfowethu akafanga. Ngamanye amazwi bathi labo sisi, as much as umfowethu bekagula, but we are content that akusikhona ukugula okumbulele, kodwa into embulele ukungabikho kwakho. Ngamanye amazwi Jesu umfowethu ngabe uyaphila ukuba wena bewukhona. In your absence namuhla sizile kunento ethi kimi, uma uJesu engekho isiqiniseko sempilo asikho. Hey madoda, uma engekho yena uzothi-ke uyamdinga lo Jesu ekhaya lakini, ebhizinisini lakho, emshadweni wakho, wherever you are, wherever you go, uyamdinga lo Jesu. Amen.